Hello guys, today I am going to build a fully working Android app without writing a single line of code. Everything from layout to logic to bug fixing will be handled by AI. So let's find out if AI can build a complete app without me writing a single line of code. So today I am going to create a fully working app using only AI. I will just give the prompt and copy and paste it, and let's see if AI can generate a fully working app. I have decided to build a to-do list app in Android Studio using Java. Let's see if AI can help me do this start to finish. So, firstly, I will give it a prompt generate XML layout code for a to-do list app with edit text, buttons, and recycler view. So let's wait for the AI to generate the code. ChatGPT has given me the code. So now let's go to Android Studio and paste the code as it is and check if the layout looks good or not. I will ask ChatGPT to improve the layout in at the end of the video. So now let's generate the Java code and just run the app to check if the app is working or not. Then we will work on the backend. I am thinking to use SQLite as the database. We can also use room database if we need, but I think SQLite would be good.
to see the output and want me to continue this, like, share and subscribe the channel.